I had such a great first day of school with you guys. So, yesterday in social studies, we did already do this PowerPoint if you watched it. Here's the thing. I know we had a lot of technical difficulties, so if you didn't watch it, I'm going to go over parts of a map again, and then I will tell you your activity at the very end. I'll give you a hint. You're going to need colors, a pencil, and you're going to need some notebook or like some computer paper, construction paper, whatever you choose, but notebook paper will work just fine. All right, so parts of a map. Okay, there are four main elements of a map, and you're like, what? Four main elements? What are they? The first one is the title. It has to tell us what exactly the map is about. If it's about Texas, we need a title that says Texas. If it's about Oklahoma, we need a title that says Oklahoma. We need to know these things. There's a compass rose. So this shows you directions on a map. So there are cardinal directions, and that is north, east, south, and west. And I remember it by never eat sour watermelon. But I know parents and grandparents, they all learn it a different way. So you can ask them and you can choose what's your favorite. So I've also heard never eat soggy waffles. Whatever you want to do. But those are the cardinal directions. And now there's intermediate directions. Intermediate directions, really all it means is it's right in the middle of the two. So we've got northeast because it's between north and east. Southeast between south and east. Southwest between south and west. And northwest between north and west. The third thing is a legend or a key. It has symbols that stand for things, and it also sometimes is color. So if you look at this, this is a key. This shows you like this means mountains, this means river, this is forest, lake, road, capital, town. This is a key. Sometimes we're going to learn about regions of Texas in the next couple of weeks, and those are color coded. So that might have a legend or a key explaining what the colors mean. The fourth thing is a scale. This shows a ratio between a unit of length, like inches, on the map and a unit of distance, like miles, on the earth. So, obviously, map makers cannot make things like the size they are in real life. If I made a map of Azle and it was the size of Azle, there would be no point of having a map, right? Duh. So, they would say 1 mile on this map is represented by 1 inch. So this is what a scale looks like. So 1 inch, like this kind of looks like a ruler, but 1 inch will equal 1 mile, and then you just get a ruler out and you would measure from like Azle to Lake Worth, and you would see how many inches that is, and that would be how many miles it is. Or a centimeter to a kilometer, you would measure that centimeter and like distance from Azle to Weatherford, and however many centimeters would be how many kilometers it is. All right, so we're going to practice. I want you to pause the video, and I want you where all the little red boxes are. If you didn't do it yesterday, if you already did it, you already know the answers. But if the little red boxes, they show you the four main elements. So there's title, key or legend, there's scale, and compass rose. Let's see if you can figure out which one is which. Oh my gosh, guys. I just noticed that the answers were already in there. Were the answers already in there in the other video? I don't think so. But you got lucky that time. Okay, so now for your assignment, you're going to get a piece of paper. It can be a piece of notebook paper. It can be a piece of plain white paper, whatever. But you're going to get a piece of paper, and you're going to draw a map of your bedroom. You can draw a map of the living room. You can draw a map of the kitchen, just a room in your house. I don't care. Pick one. So at the top, you need to tell me. You need to have a title. You need to say Colin's bedroom, Miss Simpson's bedroom, or Miss Simpson's kitchen. And then I would draw everything in my kitchen. Like, here's my fridge, my cabinets, my sink, or here's my bed, or where I keep my toys, where I keep my clothes, where my closet is. And then you need to include a compass rose, so you need to draw a compass rose on there. You need to include a legend or a key. So if you color some things the same color, tell me why you colored them all that same color. Or if you draw a bed, you don't have to label it bed, you can put that in your key, and you can put like, this is my bed. This is my chest of drawers. And then you also need to include a scale to the best of your ability. Okay, guys, it's off for you to work. All you're going to do when you're done with this, you're going to snap a picture and you're going to upload it to me. So how you do that is below there's going to be a thing that says upload or choose file. So if you click on choose file, it's going to pull up and say take a photo, or it's going to say choose from library or something similar to that. And if you already took the photo, you can choose from your library, or if you haven't, you can just click take a photo, and then click submit. Make sure you click submit, because if you don't click submit, I don't know that you turned anything in. All right, you guys have fun, and if you need anything, hop on Google Meets. You can actually click the inbox button on the side of Canvas, and you can message me or have your parents email me or remind me. I'm doing my best to get back to all of you guys. I love you all so much. Have a great day.